Hey everyone, I'm Hannah and here we go again. I got an offer I couldn't refuse. So after I received my last goodie box from thredUP, I got a courtesy email from like their team saying, "We're sorry you didn't like anything in your box. Let us try again, free of charge." And I'm like, for free? How can I say no? So I'm gonna give the thredUP goodie box another chance. And if you want a little more background information on what in the world the thredUP goodie box is, you should watch my other video. I will have linked in the cards and linked down below. And that will tell you all the details about what a thredUP goodie box is. Just the gist of it, it's a box of clothes that are curated by a stylist at thredUP, and thredUP is an online consignment store, so all of these clothes are secondhand clothes. Same situation as last time. If I like one item or if I like all of the items, I will pay for them individually, so I don't technically get these clothes for free. I'm still paying for the clothes, but the idea of a stylist picking them for me is free, and then the shipping to and from is free, so really low risk service. Now before I look inside, I want to tell you guys what I did differently, how I'm going to try to learn from my mistakes. So for the style quiz, I changed my style from rocker to punk. Big change there. And then I did update my sizes. I went to a few like boutiques and retail stores, like actual stores, and I tried on sizes, and so I was like, I think this is my size right now. So let's open it up and find out. Let's see if they sent me anything personal, like an apology. Nah, it's generic. Checklist of what they sent. It says 10 items, and as I kind of deducted last time, I think it's 10 to 15 items, but for some reason my other box only got 9 items. Here we go, digging in. So keep in mind the theme is punk. I say that because of what I'm about to grab that I see on top. Okay, so we have this yellow thing with jewels at the top. Okay, it is a dress. This is a really cute dress. Oh, I still did keep in the note that I'm in the yellow phase, which you can kind of tell because I'm wearing a yellow kimono right now. So yeah, this is really pretty. I'm definitely curious about trying it on. I feel like it might be a little sophisticated for my style. Let's find out. Look at how cute I look in this dress. I know I joked about it being a punk thing, but like this is like if a punk has to go to her aunt's wedding. Unfortunately, when I bent over, there was no fabric left to this dress, so it is a standing room only dress. Guys, look how cute I look in it. Next, the latest trend with punks is paisley. And what is this? Okay, so this is boho. This is boho. I just had to say it twice for emphasis. So this looks like an off-the-shoulder blouse. I lied, it's not actually paisley, but it's that really psychedelic pattern. Let's try it on and see what I think. Okay, so this boho top, that's boho. The pattern actually started to grow on me. It felt like a really cute couch. But unfortunately, I am not some sort of boho baby queen, so pass. Next, punkish, I see some plaid. That is close. This is okay, it's a crop top. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Let me try it on. Let's see what I think of it. I was really into the color combination of this plaid top. It's very Punk Goes Picnic. No, I actually got like a really cool retro picnicky vibe. My complaint was that it was an odd length, and I'm not going for oversized stuff right now. And then this is a green dress. Oh, so punk. So it's a green polka dot dress by the brand Bowden. I like that brand. It has pockets. In the last box, and just in general, I always have a problem with clothes being too matronly or modest. I honestly have to say this looks too junior. But at the same time, I'm 27. Like, what is a 27-year-old supposed to be wearing? So, okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to be careful so I don't offend anybody. This dress was okay, but it was made for somebody else. I couldn't quite picture what age it should have been for. I feel like in 2006 I would have ordered this from Delia's and then worn it with a pair of sneakers to church. Whatever this is, it still has tags on it and it's really bright. This is an American Eagle dress. Okay, I could kind of see this being punk, you know, wear it with like a leather jacket or something. I've always been really intrigued by neon. I remember like 6 years ago I went through a really big neon phase. I'm gonna try it on, hope I don't look like a highlighter. This neon dress was pretty cute and pretty short. I wonder, is your arm supposed to be able to go through the back of your shirt? Like say your partner put his hand on your back and like his hand just slid right through your dress. Is that supposed to happen? I was kind of on the fence about it and I questioned how much wear you could get out of a highlighter yellow dress, so I styled it 3 different ways. Go ahead and judge my taste level. I had to work with my closet. So that pretty much answers my own question. You can wear it, but it just didn't work with the pieces that are in my closet. And I would prefer buying things that are going to work with my closet right now. Next in the box is a very colorful top. I feel like it's not bad, but it's not me at all. I feel like if I say something, I might offend a lot of people who like it, because I want to say it looks like a clown top. A clown, or an elf, or a court jester. I'm gonna try it on and hopefully that makes a difference. World's saddest shirt. I want to say that this shirt was made for a clown, but I feel like that would be offensive to clowns. Like, I couldn't even humor you guys and style it. I gave up. I found something that I could not style. And what do we have here? I see a cute, colorful pattern. This is a, pair of harem pants? Or is it a shirt and I'm looking at it wrong? No, they're pants. Oh my gosh. Hammer pants. Future Hannah, what do we think of these? These didn't fit. Upon closer inspection, I realized these pants looked familiar because they were from my thredUP favorites list. What was I thinking? And this is a off-the-shoulder top, you know, black and white stripe. Got the little tie. It's very contemporary. Try it on. This stripe top was cute and it made me feel like a modern lady. Like, maybe that's how a 27-year-old should dress. I liked it, but I couldn't picture myself wearing it anywhere. Here we go back to some yellow again. Well, I don't like the look of this. What are you supposed to be doing? So it's a sleeveless blouse with pleating and a bow, and it's made of a fancy lady fabric. I could never see myself wearing this, but I'll style it for fun. Okay, so this mustard blouse was a lot cuter on. I still don't have a need for it in my closet. Cute for someone else. And last but not least is leopard print. This is, oh my goodness! Finally, this is like the only thing in the box that I like immediately know that I would like, love, snatch right up at a thrift store. This is a leopard print skirt. It's a skater skirt. It feels really heavy. Is that like that scuba stuff? Polyester spandex. Okay, future Hannah, what do you think? Oh my gosh, look at how cute this leopard print skirt is. But it was so short. And I can read your minds. I already know what you're gonna say in the comments. You're gonna say, why don't you wear leggings with it? Here you go. Yes, from a style standpoint, wearing leggings does make a short skirt appropriate. Stylistically speaking, it changed the style. I kind of felt like I went from like feminine punk to like retro punk. And at this point in my life, I kind of like the idea of feminine punk. If you didn't know, now you know. I wear bike shorts under every single skirt or dress you ever see me wear. Even some of my shorts, I've done that. Unfortunately, the shorts were longer than the skirt, or they were like the exact same length, and so that's kind of like my judge of this skirt is too short. Final thoughts. Well, the price points are a lot more reasonable because, as someone pointed out in my last video, the price point was way above my budget. The most expensive thing I got was $31.99. Hopefully I didn't like whatever that was. I'd say this box was better, but still not like nailing it. I will not be trying the box again. Twice is enough for me to like get the gist of how this works. And that's what this was all about. I was curious about the box. I wanted to try it so that if there was someone at home who was curious about it too, you could kind of see what it's all about. And now I know. We both know. Overall, I think I'm gonna stick with picking my own clothes on thredUP or, you know, thrifting in real life. It was fun. I'm glad I tried it. You know, it's good to try new things. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did and you want to keep supporting my videos and my content that I put out online, then be sure to give it likes and comment on it and follow along and share it with your friends and all of that good stuff. Show it some love. Hopefully I will see you in future videos, and in the meantime, be excellent to each other.